Hey, neighbor, you haven't given me your Wi-Fi password yet.
Hey! Is it cold where you live? Have you seen the video of this amazing ROG blanket? You should. You should. But today, I'm not gonna need it. Why? In a minute, guys. Before we start, subscribe this small channel of mine and help me grow. Now, back to the topic. I've made some remodeling around my set to host some tech talks in the future. I got a good feeling about it. And no, it's not a cold feeling. It's a warm feeling. I bought this little fellow right here on cheap. Ho, ho, ho. Space Eater. A space eater in a tech channel? Oh yes, a smart space eater, and Alexa enabled as well. I normally run the HVACs, but they can't really be moved around, and they will take a bit of time to warm the house. With that in mind, this little critter could be somewhat useful, especially being that small and smart. Also, this kind of space eaters are known to be a bit hazardous. Don't leave them unattended.
No.
For that matter, configure it to be more safe inside the Alexa app. For instances, if the temperature reaches a certain limit, make it send an announcement to your Echoes or a warning to your phone. And if you are very curious all the time, just check the Alexa app under thermostats. There you can see the current temperature of the room, even if it's just on standby. Back to the beginning. It's cold and I need something to move around the house and insta-heat the location. Normally, I have it in the baby room, and after a bit of creativity, I create some routines in the Alexa app, like, and when I say this, it will trigger the following. It will then turn the baby room lights on. The heater will be at the highest setting, maximum temperature set to 24 degrees Celsius, and after 15 minutes it will turn itself off. Super simple. You can get very creative with the routines inside the Alexa app. Trust me. What brand is this fan heater, you ask? Well, that's the thing. It's not a very known brand, and it's quite cheap, you know. But I decided to take a shot to see if it worth it. TLDR, it's not that good. Support is somewhat sketchy. Well, it works, but okay. At least it doesn't cost like a top brand out there, where you can easily spend over 100. Just be sure to buy the one with Wi-Fi and Home Smart Enable. There are very similar ones on the market, but they are dumb. Don't forget to enable Smart Life skill on your Alexa app, or you won't be able to control it with your voice or obviously inside the app. The remaining thing is how do you pair it, right? I'm gonna leave it in the description below, a link for another YouTuber showing how to do it. In the end, this is just a simple fan eater that can be controlled remotely with your phone or voice. But let me give you a warning. Don't leave this kind of equipment unattended. Things can go wrong. Really wrong. Burning down your house, wrong. If you want serious eating equipment, you should buy or think on buying an HVAC. You can literally buy any HVAC out there and smartify the thing with an infrared blaster, like the Broadlink Harmony Hub or the Sensible, that is really good at it. In the meantime, you can check my video about smart homes, where I talk a bit about the Harmony Hub. Take a look. On the other side, you can buy a trustworthy space heater from a known brand and smartify the thing with a smart outlet, like the IKEA smart outlets. Whew. I hope you are warm and cozy there, so let me wish you a Merry Christmas and have a wonderful time. Spend it with your loved ones. And by the way, let me give you a Christmas present gift. If you want a quick laugh, have a look at the videos that I have uploaded in the channel. There are some comic stuff in between and at the start of the videos. You don't have to see the entire video. You don't, but take a look. You can have a quick laugh. Now, please subscribe and see you next time.